Dear students, we will discuss the concept of numbers. The chapter being taken is numbers, and worksheet is number 1, and the level of difficulty is 0. Here in this worksheet, we will discuss the concept relating to place value and face value. The place value and face value will be decided on the basis of presence of a numeral at a place of according to number chart. Suppose 3109. Let us take this number. In this, we know that we have tens place, we have units place, we have hundredths place, and we have thousands place. For each number, we will understand this. There is a unit place, there is a 10 place, and there is a 100 place, and there is 1000th place. And the numbers we will have to enter into this. This is 9 units, 0 tens, 100 and 3 thousands. How many thousands are there? 3 thousands are there. How many hundreds are there? 100 is there. How many tens are there? 0 tens are there. How many units are there? 9 units are there in the given number 3109. Very fantastic. Now, what is the place value of 9? Place value of 9. This is unit place. Unit means it is 1. Place value of 9 is 1. Similarly, face value of 9 is, we have to write 9 into its place value. Its place value is 1. That is 1. That is equal to 9. Therefore, the place value of 9 is 1, whereas the face value of 9 is 9. Similarly, we will take 1. It is this. Its place value is 100, whereas the face value is 100. Similarly, the place value of 3 is 1000, whereas its face value is 3 into 1000, that is 3000. This is how you understand this entire concept. Right? Taking this into account, let us now go to our worksheets. Our worksheets, I will go back to my worksheet number 1. This is concept is arithmetic, and the topic chosen is numbers, and the level of learning is 0. Here, the place value of 5 in 10,583 Dear students, please remember 3 is in unit place, 8 is in tens place, 5 is in hundred place. We want the place value of 5, that is 100. So we will have to write it here, 100. You are given space in your worksheet and therefore you will get that number. Similarly, the place value of 8 in 8023, because 8 is in thousandth place, therefore the place value of 8 is 1000. Similarly, we have the place value of 3 in 90,231. Because 3 is in 10th place, therefore our answer must be 10. And the place value of 5 in 65,008 is unit place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place. Therefore, 5 is in thousandth place. And hence, we write its place value is 1000. Now, our question is a little different. Let us see what digit is. Let us take this. The place value of 6 in 30,615. 6 is in 100th place. Therefore, we write its answer as 100. The digit, what is the digit? What digit is in tens place in 1028? Which digit? In tens place, it is 2. Therefore, our answer should be 2 here. What digit is in 10,000 place in 10,208? Unit, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. 1 is in 10,000 place. Therefore, what digit is in 10,000 place? It is 1 is in the 10,000 place. Similarly, what digit is in lakhs place in 11 lakh 28,000? That is lakh. Unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. In lakh place there is 1. Therefore, our answer should be 1 here. What digit is in thousand place in 3222? In thousand place it is definitely 3. Therefore, our answer here should be 3. And then, how many zeros are there in 10,000? First, let us write 10,000. This is our 10,000. How many zeros are there? There are 4 zeros. Therefore, in 10,000, we find number of zeros is equal to 4. Similarly, we find the question, how many zeros are there in 1 lakh? Therefore, 1 lakh we'll have to write 1, after that comma, 0, 0, after that again comma and 000. Therefore, how many zeros are here? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, there are 5 zeros. How many ones are there in 1000? In 1000, how many ones are there? In 2, how many ones are there? 2 ones are there. That is, I'll explain you with some other example. Supposing we have two means, it is 1 plus 1. How many ones are there? There are two ones are there. 3 means 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many ones are there? 3 ones are there. In 100, there will be 100 ones. Right? Similarly, in 1000, there will be 1000 ones. Therefore, our question, we will go back. How many ones are there? How many ones are there in 1000? That is, there are 1000 ones are there in 1000. Similarly, how many twos are there? How many twos are there in 22,000? This is very, very important. What we will do is, we will write 22,000. We will divide this by 2. This will give us how many twos are there in 22,000. That is equal to 11,000. 11,000 twos are there in 22,000. I'll explain you again. Suppose it is 22,000. How many twos are there means, if you divide it by 2, you will get 11,000. This 11,000 twos are there. If multiplied, it becomes 22,000. That means, how many twos are there in 22,000? That is 11,000. If 11,000 is multiplied by 2, it gives you 22,000. And in the worksheet, we have another question here. That is, how many tens are there in 1000? Therefore, what we have to do? We have to divide 1000 divided by 10. That will give us 10 ones are 10 and double 0 remain. Therefore, how many tens are there in 1000? 100 tens are there in 1000. That we will write here. How many tens are there in 1000? There are 100 tens there in 1000. Similarly, how many thousands are there in 10 lakh? How many thousands are there in 10 lakh? We'll have to write first 10 lakh. We'll take an example here. 10 lakh. 1 lakh means 5 zeros. 10 lakh means after 10 there will be 5 lakh. So we want how many thousands are there. Therefore, divided by 1000 here. 1 zero cancelled, another 0 cancelled, and one more 0 cancelled, right? Therefore, what remained? 1000 remained. Therefore, how many thousands are there in 1 lakh? There are 1000 lakhs. How many thousands are there in 10 lakh? In 10 lakh, there are 1000 thousands. 1000 thousands are there in 10 lakh. So, this is how we completed our level 0 of numbers worksheet number 1. Now, similar kind of questions you can create and do it. Wish you happy learning. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support.